In today's fast-moving world, simplicity and calm are more valuable than ever. That's where ZenFlow steps in, redefining how we experience aromatherapy with a sleek, waterless diffuser designed to harmonize with your pace, your space, and your lifestyle. Whether you're working late in a home office or unwinding in a cozy corner, ZenFlow turns everyday moments into peaceful retreats. ZenFlow isn't just a diffuser, it's intentional living. Built to be durable and sustainable, it delivers long-lasting fragrance without constant refills or upkeep. Forget preheating and oil-splattered stovetops. The Philips Air Fryer XXL streamlines family meals with precision and speed. Designed for efficiency, its 7-quart capacity easily handles a whole chicken or 2 bags of fries, perfect for feeding the entire family in one go. It uses rapid air technology to circulate hot air, creating crispy exteriors and tender interiors without relying on excess oil. Integrated fat removal technology captures and separates fat from food during cooking, making each bite lighter without sacrificing flavor. Precision and balance define the essence of this ergonomic marvel. Designed for extended sessions at a desk or workstation, this chair features an auto-following backrest and headrest, which intuitively track your spine and neck movement for seamless support. Whether you're leaning forward in focus or reclining to unwind, the chair synchronizes with your natural posture to maintain optimal alignment throughout. The auto-adjusting headrest responds to your seated angle without manual input. It lifts, tilts, or lowers automatically to cradle your neck precisely where you need it. The AeroSpring Pinch is an innovative and versatile system designed to elevate both outdoor and indoor gardening. This high-yield solution offers an efficient growing experience with minimal effort. Engineered for modularity, it allows users to customize the setup according to their space and needs, offering 4 distinct configurations to choose from. Whether you're looking to optimize a small urban space or expand into a larger area, the flexibility of the AeroSpring Pinch ensures that your garden thrives. A workspace doesn't need to be static. The Lifespan Ampera Desk Bike fuses movement with productivity, transforming long office hours into active, power-generating sessions. Featuring a 2-inch thick seat made from high-density molded foam and wrapped in breathable fabric, it adapts to a range of heights, from 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, thanks to a pneumatic lever. This keeps your posture aligned and your energy levels steady, even during the longest stretches. The UATOM Origin 800 is a versatile, high-performance portable power station designed for those who need reliable power on the go. This unit provides an impressive 800-watt AC output, making it capable of powering a wide range of devices from electronics to appliances. Its swappable and detachable power banks allow users to extend battery life for prolonged use, giving flexibility for longer trips or emergency situations. Recharge times are fast, with a complete charge taking just 1.9 hours, ensuring minimal downtime. Reimagine your space with the power to transform any flat surface into an interactive experience. The Puppy Hachi Infinite M1 is more than a projector. It's a portable smart hub, merging voice-responsive control, rich media playback, and touch interactivity in one sleek form. With 10-point AnyTouch technology, you can draw, swipe, write, or play directly on walls and tables, all with fluid, near-instant responsiveness matching high-end capacitive screens. The Galaxy Xcover 7 Pro offers a robust balance of durability and performance, designed for users who demand a rugged device that can withstand tough environments. It features IP68 dust and water resistance, allowing it to withstand immersion in water up to 1.5 meters for 35 minutes. Additionally, it's drop-tested to survive falls from up to 1.5 meters, adhering to MIL STD 810H standards, though these don't guarantee survival in extreme conditions. Boldly reimagining the golden age of hi-fi with the precision of modern audio engineering, The Luna audio system commands attention from any room it graces. Its 16-bit VFD display glows with retro elegance, casting a soft vintage light while delivering real-time audio data and signal clarity. But beneath the classic aesthetics lies cutting-edge performance. Tucked within its sleek frame is a powerful 4,900 mAh battery, offering up to 12 hours of continuous playback. In a world awash with Pixel 6 screens and dopamine loops, clarity feels like a luxury. But what if the tool you use to read, think, and create could do less harm while helping you do more? The Paper 7 doesn't chase your gaze with glitter. It offers calm. It restores a space where thought, expression, and comfort belong together. This is not another screen. It's a pause in the static. Meet Paper 7, an all-day color paper tablet engineered to prioritize your well-being and creative rhythm. Introducing the Head Pop Focus, the first of its kind in smart skincare technology. This revolutionary device combines cutting-edge features to deliver a professional-grade skincare experience from the comfort of your own home. With its focus mode, the device delivers a consistent, pulsing action to effectively remove blackheads without causing any damage to the skin. Built to handle harsh conditions and designed for professionals on the move, the Galaxy Tab Active 55G is a workhorse in a compact 8-inch frame. Powered by an octa-core processor and available with 6GB RAM and 128GB of built-in storage, this tablet doesn't shy away from heavy multitasking. Expand your capacity further with up to 1 TB via microSD, ample room for documents, high-res images, and complex apps. Packing for your trip doesn't have to be a hassle. Enter the Volek EasyY Organizer Set. Designed to eliminate the stress from your packing routine, you can compress your items up to 85%, making it possible to carry more with less. The Volek EasyY Set is built for durability, using 70D nylon fabric that withstands wear and tear. With an upgraded Turbo Boost airflow system that provides a massive 200 liters per minute, packing is completed in a flash, saving you valuable time. Shaped with intent and engineered for precision, the amzn.to stands as a striking evolution in modern folding knife design. World-renowned knife maker Ken Onion took inspiration from the sharp, geometric style of the Olight Arcfeld flashlight, trading soft curves for purposeful, linear architecture. The result is a bold, industrial statement piece that slices through tradition just as cleanly as it does materials. Every angle of the Zenol reflects thoughtful design, from the machined aluminum handle to the smooth, assisted flipper action. Introducing the uMind Mirror, a breakthrough in wearable health tech. This smart health tracking device stands out as the world's smallest BCI, designed to revolutionize how you track your brain activity. Weighing just 5.2 grams, the uMind Mirror is powered by our self-developed chip and measures brain waves to enhance focused performance and optimize your sleep patterns. With an SDK included, it allows for the creation of innovative apps, further expanding its potential. The Neewer ER 139.4-inch motorized camera slider is a versatile tool for capturing smooth, professional-quality video and time-lapse photography. This motorized slider features a carbon fiber construction, offering both strength and lightweight portability. With its sleek design, it supports a variety of shooting modes, including horizontal, tracking, and 120-degree panoramic shots, ideal for dynamic cinematic content. With its robust build and impressive features, the Neewer ER1 elevates the quality of any production. Stay cool and comfortable with the Ryobi USB Lithium Misting Fan, a powerful and portable cooling solution. This fan employs advanced atomization disk technology, delivering a fine mist that cools by up to 10 degrees while keeping you dry. Its compact design is paired with impressive performance, offering up to 90 minutes of misting on a full 2 ounces water tank and up to 7 hours of fan operation with 110 CFM airflow. Hard water buildup and soap scum don't stand a chance when you're armed with a precision tool built for real cleaning. With an impressive max torque of 22 inch-pounds, this scrubber drives through grime on tile, glass, porcelain, and more. Charge once via USB-C and get up to 90 minutes of runtime, long enough to clean your entire bathroom without stopping. No more waiting on clunky dispensers or wasting space with bulky filters. This compact, efficient system redefines what clean water access looks like. The Water Drop, a 1RO countertop water dispenser, is more than just a filter. It's a smart hydration hub built for modern homes. Certified lead-free under NSF ANSI 372 and verified by SGS testing labs, it ensures your water is not only safe, but exceptionally pure. Imagine a world where controlling your devices is as natural as wearing a ring. The Ring Mouse revolutionizes interaction, blending fashion and functionality seamlessly. Designed for those who demand precision and ease, this Bluetooth-powered accessory allows you to control multiple devices effortlessly with a simple flick of your finger. Whether you're scrolling through social media, making quick presentations, or navigating different platforms, this wearable device offers ultimate convenience without the bulk of a traditional mouse. For outdoor enthusiasts, comfort on the trail is paramount. After a long day of adventure, the last thing you want is to lose sleep on an uncomfortable setup. Unfortunately, many camping solutions often come with trade-offs in either weight or comfort, leaving backpackers with a frustrating dilemma. The Haven Spectre changes that. It offers a sleep experience that balances comfort with weight savings, giving backpackers a lightweight yet cozy option. Crank up the volume by the pool, in the shower, or on the trail. This rugged speaker is engineered for any environment. Built to perform under pressure, it handles water, dust, and impact with ease. Whether clipped to your backpack or floating beside you in the hot tub, this compact device doesn't just survive, it thrives. With 20 hours of battery life on a single charge, you can soundtrack your entire day without reaching for the charger. And when the sun goes down, it's still going strong, keeping the vibe alive through nightfall. From the first press of the button, the Xerosonic X responds with commanding energy, fueled by its powerful impulse motor that delivers deep, efficient cleaning without compromise. Whether you need a gentle daily refresh or a high-intensity flush, it adapts instantly with 3 intelligent modes designed to meet personal care needs with precision. Changing tasks, the easily swap nozzles feature keeps you in control. Switch effortlessly between different nozzle types for gum care, braces, or a full mouth cleanse. Set your phone down, grab a sip, and keep the moment going, all without fumbling. Ringo isn't just another water bottle, it's a precision-crafted hydration tool with a built-in magnetic mount that secures your phone exactly where you need it. Whether you're filming outdoors, joining a virtual meeting, scrolling recipes in the kitchen, or checking your form during a workout, this bottle stays locked in while holding your phone upright and steady. Designed to work with all major smartphones, Ringo's magnetic system adapts instantly. Tucked into your palm like a hidden relic, this precision-built instrument merges classic navigation with modern survival ingenuity. Forged from aerospace-grade GR5 titanium, its frame is as tough as it is refined, built to endure punishing elements while weighing nearly nothing. Its standout feature is a 15 times folding loop, not just for observation, but capable of igniting tinder in sunlight, an unexpected fire starter that turns this tool into a true multi-mission asset. Mirage Sand Art offers an innovative way to experience sound in a visual form, using vibrations to shape sand into mesmerizing patterns. Through cymatics, sound waves become visible, transforming into intricate designs and offering a unique perspective on the forces that surround us. Process is simple but profound. Vibrations from sound waves interact with sand, creating dynamic patterns that appear to dance and flow in real time. Precision meets silence in this cordless powerhouse engineered for serious yard work. Featuring a carbon fiber straight shaft, this trimmer is built to withstand years of heavy-duty trimming while staying lightweight and easy to maneuver. The adjustable cutting width ranges from 15 inches to 17 inches, allowing for precision around garden edges or broad strokes along fences and driveways. Clean air isn't a luxury, it's a daily need. The Quare Plasma Go delivers just that, packing a full-feature purification system into a sleek, go-anywhere form. This isn't just a filter, it's a full-scale defense system against toxins, bacteria, and airborne contaminants. At its core lies the advanced Germagic HEPA 13 filter, engineered to trap particles as small as 0.3 microns. Where most purifiers stop at filtration, the Plasma Go goes further with toxin-killing plasma ion technology. The Gourmet Digital Display 5-quart large air fryer offers a convenient and efficient way to cook with its 12 one-touch cooking presets, making meal preparation simple. This air fryer is designed to cater to a variety of dishes, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, all while using less oil. Its 5-quart capacity is perfect for cooking family-sized meals or preparing snacks for gatherings. Powered by a 1500-watt heating element, this Gourmet ensures fast and even cooking, allowing you to enjoy your food in less time without compromising on quality. In a world where digital convenience meets the timeless charm of pen on paper, the NUI Sync Pen 4 steps in as a bridge between both. This smart pen writes on paper just like a traditional pen, yet instantly transfers your words and sketches to your device through the NUI's app. It captures every stroke in real time and records your creative flow as it unfolds, preserving both the end result and the thought process behind it. The Sync Pen 4 transforms your handwriting into editable digital text using OCR, supporting 73 languages. In a world dominated by constant stimulation and overthinking, there's a quiet beauty in simplicity and movement. This is not just a desk ornament, it's not just a toy, it's a moment of stillness and motion crafted to soothe, inspire, and gently ground you in the present. The Oasis Mini is a kinetic art piece that brings the calming rhythm of nature into your everyday space. A small steel ball glides effortlessly across fine sand, creating fluid, mesmerizing patterns. In a time when digital displays dominate, the Zen 70 rekindles the legacy of analog elegance with unapologetic boldness. Towering at nearly 6 inches tall with a glowing filament standing 2.75 inches high, this handcrafted giant of a Nixie bulb merges nostalgia with innovation. Its cylindrical form measures 2.3 inches in diameter, housed in annealed glass and stainless steel, with a base crafted from anodized aluminum in sleek black. Introducing Emo, a next-gen desk companion designed to bring personality and fun into your workspace. This advanced robot integrates seamlessly with your environment,